When I first opened Affinity Designer 2, I remember thinking, I wish someone would just show me everything in one place. So I built the course I always wanted to take. My all-in-one project-based Affinity Designer 2 course is now live on Udemy. You will find a link waiting for you in the description, and inside the course you get 8 hours and 26 minutes of focused video content, 51 lectures and 9 sections that take you from the basics to real-world projects you can show off. If you've been waiting to level up your design skills or switch to Affinity Designer 2 with confidence, this is your moment. Udemy's Black Week sale is on right now, which means you can grab the entire course for just $9.99.